Woodland birds. In England there are few deep woods, and the habits of our birds have been so modified by human cultivation that they have learnt to shun the innermost recesses of woodland, which are as empty of life and movement as a cathedral on a weekday. The sights and sounds that greet the wanderer are mostly fugitive. The ghostly swerve of a tawny owl disturbed from his cloistered doze in an ivy-dressed oak, the pebbly bright percussions of black-capped coal or marsh tits rummaging in the leafy upper world, the rasping scream of a jay, too furtive to allow us glimpse of a form chestnut bright as a sun patch among the shadows.